Hi, Kevin with Scantech Graphics, and today we are in the Mission Valley portion of San Diego, where we just finished a project for OutWest Restaurant Group, where we did corporate identity and custom window film. This project was a lot of fun because we were brought in on this project through a relationship with Black Diamond Construction and London Interiors. Today is a special day because we actually have the designer with us, Jamila London from London Interiors, to help talk about this project that we just completed a few months ago.
Thank you, Kevin. Today is actually really exciting for me because, again, I get to collaborate with you from Scantech. Being the designer on this project was a lot of fun, as you mentioned. A lot of companies had to downsize during COVID. And so they went from a much larger space that didn't have that personalized branding and that personalized space for them. We decided to brand their entry as soon as you walk in, providing more of a living room space here.
We have a corporate logo right up here that was done out of half-inch thick metal.
And working into their boardroom, which doubles as a Zoom space for them to do collaborative meetings and online webinars. And then going into their workstations and just a lot of different, what we like to call flex spaces for their different team members to be able to step away from the workstations and step away from their everyday things and use the entire space a lot better than the space they were originally in.
All of the glass that was in here, every room, whether it's a conference room or an office, is all glass, so we needed to add some aesthetics to it, and also privacy and safety, which we did throughout the whole space.
We all want that ideal client, and to have a client that says, go for it and make us better than what we were already is a challenge, but an exciting adventure that I think any interior designer would be excited to go on.